Creating Mailchimp emails that look great across all devices can be tricky, but I'm going to walk you through how to make sure your emails are responsive, look fantastic, and work seamlessly for every device. Whether your subscribers are viewing your emails on mobile, tablet, or desktop, we'll cover the best practices to ensure your email is always optimized. Before we dive in, you can use Mailchimp completely free with exclusive bonuses through the first link in the description below. So, stick around till the end for that. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. The first thing you'll need to understand is the importance of responsive email design. With so many people opening emails on their phones or tablets, it's essential that your content adjusts based on the screen size. Mailchimp has built-in responsive design features that automatically optimize your emails, but there are still a few steps you can take to fine-tune your designs for better results. Next, let's talk about layout. Mailchimp has pre-designed templates that are already optimized for different devices, but sometimes you'll need to make adjustments to your own layout. Use a single column layout for simplicity, especially for mobile. The key is to keep your content flowing naturally and not have anything too wide or out of place when viewed on smaller screens. The third thing to consider is images. For mobile, large images can slow download times or even break your email layout. Mailchimp allows you to resize your images for different devices. Make sure they are responsive by using the correct image sizes and resolution. Don't forget to test them for mobile devices before sending out any campaigns. You can also use Mailchimp's content blocks to insert images that scale appropriately on all screen sizes. Next up, text size. On mobile devices, text that's too small can be a deal breaker. Mailchimp lets you adjust the font sizes for different devices. A good rule of thumb is to make your body text at least 14px for mobile devices. Your headings should also be readable, so avoid making them too small. Consider increasing the size slightly on mobile to improve readability. Another key point is the call to action buttons. They should be large enough to click easily on both desktop and mobile devices. Mailchimp offers easy-to-use buttons, but always double-check that they look great across all devices. Keep them centered and consider using larger, bolder fonts for the text inside the button. The fifth thing is testing your emails. Always preview your emails in Mailchimp before sending them out. Make sure to test on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure everything looks and works the way you intend. Mailchimp allows you to preview how your email will look on different devices, which is super helpful for making final tweaks. Finally, you want to remember that mobile users are often on the go, so don't overload your emails with too much content. Keep it simple and to the point. A clean, well-organized design with a clear call to action works best. Less is often more when it comes to mobile email design. To recap, creating Mailchimp emails for different devices doesn't have to be hard. Start by using responsive templates, adjust your layout, resize images, tweak text sizes, and make sure your CTA buttons are mobile-friendly. Always test and preview your emails before sending. And if you want to try out Mailchimp yourself with exclusive bonuses, don't forget to check out the link below. Remember, with a little effort, your emails will look great on every device, and your subscribers will thank you for it.